Just a little coffee can bring your headlights back to a clear, like new shine. Hello everyone! Watch this full video so you don't waste hundreds of dollars every year on headlight restoration. Take a look at this lens. After years of use, it turns cloudy and yellow. Today, you will see a simple home method that delivers results close to professional shop restoration. Begin by preparing a simple cleaning mixture using items found at home. Pour ground coffee into a cup. Add toothpaste into the same cup. This combination may seem unusual at first. However, both materials support the cleaning process. Coffee provides fine texture, while toothpaste works as a mild, abrasive base. Take a small wooden stick and mix slowly until the texture becomes thicker and more uniform. Now, pour cola into the mixture. The liquid softens the compound and helps it spread more easily across the surface. Continue stirring until everything blends into a smooth paste. The mixture is now ready to break down the oxidized layer on the headlight. Place the headlight into a shallow tray so it stays stable during the process. Dip a small paintbrush into the mixture and spread a thin layer across the entire surface. Move the brush slowly so every section is covered evenly. Once the surface is coated, place a dry cloth directly over the headlight. The cloth helps retain moisture and keeps the mixture in contact with the plastic longer. Apply more mixture over the cloth so the surface remains saturated. Allow the headlight to rest for about 15 minutes while the compound softens the outer oxidized layer. I know a lot of you are experienced and creative, so leave your best tips in the comments and share the knowledge with everyone. After waiting, remove the cloth and wipe the surface gently using a paper towel. Spray water onto the headlight and take a kitchen sponge. Use the rough side and begin scrubbing carefully. Steady pressure helps remove loosened oxidation while water carries away residue. Continue across the entire surface, then rinse again. Now observe closely. The yellow tone has reduced slightly. However, the surface still looks cloudy. This is expected because deeper oxidation remains. Apply more mixture onto the headlight and prepare the next stage. Using 800 grit sandpaper, spray water onto the surface and begin sanding slowly. Keep movement steady and controlled. The abrasive removes remaining oxidation, while water keeps the process smooth and prevents overheating. Continue until the yellow color nearly disappears. Now, the surface appears evenly dull, which shows the damaged outer layer has been removed. Move to the next step using 1500 grit sandpaper. Spray water again and continue sanding across the lens. This finer grit smooths the rough surface created earlier. Small scratches become less visible, and the plastic starts to feel smoother. Rinse the surface and check again. The yellow color is completely gone. However, the headlight still appears hazy. This stage prepares the surface for final clarity. Prepare 2000 grit sandpaper and spray water onto the headlight again. Begin the final sanding stage using light pressure and slow movements. This fine abrasive removes the smallest scratches left from previous steps. As sanding continues, the plastic gradually regains transparency. Reflections become sharper and clearer. Continue until the entire surface looks evenly smooth. Rinse the headlight once more and observe the change. The cloudy appearance has reduced significantly, and the surface now looks much clearer than before. However, the final step will restore full shine. Apply headlight polishing compound onto the surface. Take the soft side of the sponge and spread it evenly. Use gentle circular motions so the polish fills microscopic scratches and enhances clarity. Continue polishing across the entire headlight. Light passes through the lens more effectively, which improves visibility during night driving. Each step in the process removes damage and restores the surface gradually. Simple methods like this extend the life of car parts without expensive replacement. Then take a clean, dry cloth and wipe the surface carefully. Now step back and look at the result. The headlight that once appeared yellow and dull now looks clear and bright again. Working slowly and following each stage carefully creates a clear difference in the final result. If this repair helped you restore your headlights, try the same method at home and observe the change step by step. Share your results in the comments so others can learn from your experience. Stay with the channel for more practical repairs, where simple materials become effective solutions that save time and money.